Welcome back to Alltech. Today, we're diving into the KabelDirekt HDMI cable, a premium 8K solution that's packed with features to elevate your entertainment setup. Stick around as we break down its design, performance, compatibility, and why it's worth considering for your devices. One of the standout features of the KabelDirekt HDMI cable is its AIS design, anti-interference shielding. It boasts multi-layer metal shielding in the connector and an additional sheathing of the copper conductors. This ensures optimum interference protection, giving you a seamless viewing and gaming experience. Designed in Germany, the cable is rigorously tested for durability. Its gold-plated, break-proof plugs and pure copper conductors guarantee robustness and unparalleled longevity. When it comes to performance, KabelDirekt doesn't disappoint. It surpasses the high-speed HDMI specification, supporting UHD2 resolutions, including 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz for crystal-clear visuals. Whether it's HDR content, 7.1 surround sound, ARC, or even Ethernet data transfer, this cable handles it all effortlessly. At lengths up to 9.8 feet, you're assured of top-notch quality without signal loss. Compatibility. This cable is a jack of all trades. It works flawlessly with PCs, laptops, gaming consoles like the PS5 and Xbox, Blu-ray players, TVs, monitors, projectors, and more. If it has an HDMI port, KabelDirekt has you covered. Warranty and reliability. Another reason to love KabelDirekt is their confidence in their product. With a 36-month manufacturer's warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing you're covered for any manufacturing defects. Few brands offer this level of assurance. Conclusion: the KabelDirekt HDMI cable combines superior build quality, exceptional performance, and broad compatibility. Its support for cutting-edge resolutions like 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz ensures it's future-proof, making it a perfect addition to high-end setups. Whether you're a gamer, movie enthusiast, or professional, this cable won't let you down. If you're ready to upgrade your HDMI game, the KabelDirekt is worth every penny. That's it for today's review on Alltech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you next time. Thanks for tuning in to Alltech. Let me know in the comments which HDMI cable you're using and if you're planning to switch to KabelDirekt. See you soon.